6, on the same day, I posted the same screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate to presidential race, Pilipinas. A printout of the Facebook post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach.
May I know what's happening to you, Mr. Madriaga? You seem to be crying. Are you crying?
I just remember one moment.
Are you crying?
I just,
You are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46. Let's go back to number 46. Okay, you may read from 46, Mr. Madriaga.
On the same day, I posted the screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate in the 2022 presidential race.
Would you like
47.
to say something about why you are crying on this part of the affidavit?
Hindi naman, malungkot lang po.
Malungkot. Okay, please proceed.
Madam Chair, can we allow the witness to please...
Honorable
witness-
Dumogan.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Can we allow the witness to please get his
Yes.
composure before he will continue?
Yes, we are temporarily suspending to give time to Mr. Madriaga to console himself.
Madriaga, ano ba yung paiyak-iyak mo dyan? Cry-cry ka dyan? Hawak mo naman ang script. Hawak ko ang script. Boy, ano naman ang kinalulungkot mo? Talagang ano, may award ka talaga siguro, no? May maleta ka rin. Alam mo, ito si Madriaga. Sinasabi niyang pinagkatiwalaan siya ng milyon-milyon, daan-daang milyon pera. Pero hindi niya mapakita kung empleyado ba talaga siya dati ni PRRD o empleyado siya ni BP Sara o ano, kamag-anak ba siya o ano, driver ba siya. Talagang he has no direct access or connection that he can claim as the basis for the trust and confidence na binigay sa kanya ng daang-daang milyong peras. At hindi naman niya nasabi kung saan ang source nito. Paano mo masasabi ng perang yan ay galing sa masama kung hindi mo man nakita kung saan yan kinuha? Pambira itong committee ni Congresswoman Luistro. Lahat ba ng affidavit ni Madriaga ay admissible lang? May affidavit na may supplemental pa. Baka naman may extra supplemental pa dyan. Yung extra power tide, yung gano'n. Grabe kayo. Ang witness nyo ay detainee, akusado ng kidnapping for ransom. Yan ang star witness nyo. Lahat na sasabihin yan para makawala lang siya dyan sa kulungan. Ano pa itong mga hearsay niya ng mga obviously fabricated na sinabi daw ni former President Duterte na si VP Sara ay bad student, saka violent daw sa klase. Bakit? Classmate mo ba siya? Alam mo, kung hindi ka matawa dito kay Madriaga, mababatukan mo to eh. Hawak mo ang script, Madriaga. Sige, iyak ka pa.